If your washer seems to have power but is not working properly, it's not the end of the world. It could just be a simple problem with an easy fix. First, make sure there is power being supplied to the washer. Check to see if the outlet is providing electricity or if the circuit breaker has been tripped. You can also try unplugging the washer for 1 minute to see if this solves the problem. Next, make sure child lock is not activated. This could be the reason why the washer isn't responding. Finally, make sure the door is firmly closed. If it's open, the washer will not start any cycles.